as he T-bones another neighbor. Oh, see the handcuff marks? Hey, it looks good. I stopped already. I have it on a video already.
Oh, this one?
I stopped to look at it.
Okay.
Yeah. So today we're looking forward to having a decent ride. The weather is just, the last couple of weeks it's been just totally unbelievable. Now, this is a funny story. I always like to start off the day with a funny story. Our good friend Ray Straub, who was the one that suggested I go on yesterday's ride and part of the ride up to Garrett Mountain. This is so funny. Ray has a 400 Bandit. A 400 Bandit is a rare bike. He found another one, and I hope I'm not getting this story wrong, he found another one he wanted to use for a parts bike. We all know, yes, parts bikes can be very handy, especially when parts become hard to get. So he goes, sees the bike, it's in rough shape. Really is busted up, carburetors are hanging off it, fenders are hanging off it, and it's got a gas tank. But the gas tank isn't bolted on, it's just laying in place. No bolts holding it on. Ray makes a deal with the guy, gives him the gold doubloons and puts it on a trailer and makes his big trek back to his house. And when he gets to the house, there's no gas tank on the bike. So, what do you do when you're Ray, our good friend Ray? What do you do? Well, what do we all do? You leave the bike there, you go get on a motorcycle, and you go back and try to find the tank back, well, how many miles it is. Well, he's very careful, looking on the side of the road, looking on the side of the road, looking at it. All of a sudden, there it is. There's the tank. Holy mackerel. But now you're on a motorcycle. And so you go over and look at the tank real close, and the thickest part of the tank, he said, is 2 inches high. So probably several cars had driven over. He said he'll send me a picture. I don't know. I don't have the picture yet, so. That's a good way to start a day, and we're going out on the open road right now. Okay, you guys, you know I would never forget to feed you before I head out on a ride. You know I don't do that kind of stuff. But I'm tempted. Check this out. You don't see this very often. Look at what's over here. We got some chickens, and check out the old car hiding in the woods. That's pretty cool. You never know what you're going to see on one of these rides. The back roads hold mysteries for everybody.
Now it's sad that it's still cloudy just almost the whole ride here. The sun is not broken through yet at all. It's gotten real cloudy and it looks like it's going to rain any minute, but I wanted to try out this new Joe Rocket jacket. Today's a good day to put it to the test. Well, we just can't see the sun today. It's just a cloudy day. Looks like it's going to rain any minute too. Well, we only hit a few raindrops on the way back, not much at all, but boy, it's clouding up. Right now, it's not looking real promising. Not looking like we're not going to have to water the garden this afternoon. So this was actually the first ride with the new Joe Rocket jacket. It is super comfortable. It really breathes nice. I got to fine-tune the camera mount after I look at today's footage. Couldn't be better, and I know because he really got hot at the end of this ride, especially I was even
thinking we're going to get really rained on and I'll get this put to the test. Just a couple drops. But it is comfortable, and that to me is a big thing. Now, whether it's going to be as cool, I know it's going to be better than the black one. It has to be. As soon as I get my temperature gauge, I'm going to find out, put them both out in the sun and see which one is hotter. We'll figure that out. Anyway, I was happy to see another thing. A lot of the places up north, they have giant signs out now thanking the COVID workers, and I want to never forget to thank them. Thank you guys. It allows me to get my ride in, which allows me to get my exercise in, which allows me to stay alive. Because if I don't ride, no good things happen when you don't ride. If you don't ride every day, you're risking your life. It's actually life-threatening. So get on a bike and ride every day. Not too prejudiced, am I? Anyway, Mr. Valentine, as always, saves our bacon. Our bacon needs a lot of saving, too. So, and again, the jacket, I'm real happy with it. The upgrade is, I think it's going to be a nice upgrade for this whole summer, which is just around the corner. So, hope you enjoy watching the videos as much as I enjoy making them. And thanks for watching. Look at this! Look at this! Superstar! Oh my God! You come right while my food is being delivered.
Oh, it's alright, I'm going to be 2 seconds.
Let's see the bike.
I'm going to go meet some friends at Ruts.
Ah, man. Was tonight bike night over there?
Yeah.
It is? Well, I can't afford to go. I got a family, you know.
I'm single.
I'm not. See the handcuff marks? Hey, it looks good. I stopped already. I have it on a video already.
Oh, this one?
I stopped to look at it.
Okay.
Yeah, really looks clean, man.
Yeah, it's really nice.
You didn't ride it in the rain yet?
No.
I love the paint. I stopped and looked at the paint already.
Yeah, the paint's pretty cool, right?
Yeah, nice. Everything's blacked out. The forks in it, just like me.
But I want to black out the rest of them. It's not this, but I want to see if you can do this for me over the winter, maybe. This primary cover.
You want to black it out?
Yeah.
Why don't you just trade somebody for a chrome one? They'll probably pay you.
No, it blacked out is the way to go now. I put on these bars.
Yeah, I see the bars, yeah.
These are 1.5-inch bars. So
they're right. Can you adjust them or they have one?
Oh no, you can adjust them. You can adjust them this way.
Back and forth, yeah. Okay, cool. I like the dashboard.
Yeah. I was just grooving some loud music. Want to hear some loud music?
Yeah, I like my numbers might not want to. It looks good, Gil. Wow.
Really loud.
Nice. My friend Jim has a 3-wheeler with a loud radio in the saddlebags or wherever the hell they put the radio. Okay. My daughter's a musician, you know. So
am I. I play bass.
Yeah, I know. Well, you should introduce her. I'll introduce you when she comes out.
You should play piano.
What are Reinhardts? Are they racing or?
Yes, they're tuned for stage 1, which is like this massive air cleaner.
Okay, yeah, it's got a bigger air cleaner.
Yeah, and then it's got a.
How is this relative to the other bike? Nicer or smoother or?
So much better.
Yeah.
Night and day.
Yeah.
Night and day.
I know there was a year, I don't know what year it was, that Harley really made some upgrades. They changed it all, you know.
Yeah, that was 17. They went with
I don't
the
remember.
M8 motor. Yeah, it's a really nice bike.
See, you said you're a bachelor. I'm not. I have $300 bikes. This is probably a little more than 20 times that.
You need about another $17,000.
Yeah. I'm hip. I'm hip. I'm hip. I got my family. You got your bike. I don't know. I got the house. Maybe I don't even have the house pretty soon.
Yeah, up your bikes back there, and you're looking at 20-some.
No, not even close. That's stuff I bought for no money. They're all
They're still worth that.
reclaim bikes. I love the paint though. The paint is really good.
Cool. It's called Velocity Sunglow.
Yeah, it looks nice. I know you don't see it now, but you see it in the sun.
Yeah, you definitely see it.
Because I looked at it the day I looked at it, it was in the sun. You know, where there's a curve, you'll see it where there's a curve in the sun. Yeah, that's beautiful, Gil. Good luck with it, man.
Thank you.
Oh, as he T-bones another neighbor. Oh, don't you wish you were young again? That's our neighbor Gil. Stuff you can't make up. You can't make this up. Gil is over here with his new bike, and we set the groundhog trap. Miles is back there now. We set the groundhog trap, and while we were back there showing Miles the trap, the groundhog came out, but he's not in a trap. He's not in a trap, is he? He's right there.
No, he went back. He goes right under there. That's where he is. You saw him, right? You saw him? All right, we're going to get him. By tomorrow, he's going to be playing for the New York Jets or the Giants. Who should we let him play? Now you broke the trap. No, you can't do it. When Miles saw him, he was right there, right by the fence. He's not, obviously not there now. So if he eats the rest of your stuff, he becomes a New York Giant. This is Grammy's first marigold of the year. Wow.
It opened up.
That is truly the first one of the year. Of course, there'll be thousands very soon.
There will
Unless the
be.
groundhog eats them all. It'll be a marigold eater.